So I'm at the AMD booth. We can see we got a whole bunch of different laptops here from a bunch of different brands. We got the Dynabook, HP, LG. What do you got? Pretty much everything that you could imagine. One of the questions I still can't answer that everybody keeps on asking me, though, is which laptop is the best? It's a question I always get, and I can't ever answer it. But AMD, can't really go wrong. So here we are looking at an AMD Rubit. We've got another one. This one appears to have like a cloth material covering its body, which is supposed to be one of the things supposed to be, I guess, pressure sensitive. It says it is generative bionics. I guess we'll just have to see what it can actually do. So here we got the new AMD server racks. We got one from HP, Lenovo, and Supermicro. Beautiful looking racks. I think a lot of it has to do with the display. The biggest thing is going to be what can it actually do. Probably one of the more interesting things that we got here is a quiet server. Definitely be something to be useful if you actually have to live with these things. This one is the Lenovo SR655V3. This is the one that actually did all of the compute for the Sphere yesterday. So if you want to know what that was, that is this guy right here. And for this one, we got quad AMD Instinct processors. You got 4 of them up to 760 watts. So that is kind of a powerhouse right there.